Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grey County Grilling. I am Chris, and I'm glad you've joined me today. I really appreciate you tuning in. And today we are making one of my favorite summertime, I don't even know if you could call it a side dish, because I could just eat this as a meal on its own, and that is corn on the cob. I know it's not exactly fresh right now, but there was a great deal on it at the grocery store and I just had to get some. Considering we are in the middle of one of the biggest heat waves that I've ever experienced, corn on the cob is a great thing to eat. So stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, got the corn all ready to go here. I've already peeled it and everything. And if you've ever dealt with corn on the cob, which I'm sure you have, you know how much of a pain in the butt it is peeling the corn. If anyone's got any suggestions out there on how to peel it really easily and get all of the silk off of it, leave me a comment. I would love to find out how to do this a lot easier. Anyway, so this way that I'm going to show you is the way that my dad showed me how to cook corn in a way that's different than the traditional, you know, just putting it in a pot, adding some sugar and boiling it. This way is on the grill, and you add your butter to the corn before it's cooked, along with some seasoning. In this case I'm using garlic pepper, which is kind of misleading because it's mostly salt, just garlic salt with a little bit of pepper. So that's what I'm going to be using. First though, you got to get the butter on there. And what I'm going to use is actually some parsley and chive butter that I got from a brother at my lodge. And it is fantastic, and I think it is going to make a great base for this corn. So you just smear it all over the corn. And the kernels are starting to explode on me. Get your seasoning and just make sure you get it on there, you know, fairly liberally, because this is going to add a lot of flavor once it's cooking. Just like so. And one more. There. Next, just wrap it up. Like that, and you're all done. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these done, then we're going to start up the grill, and we will get them on. Okay, so I've got the grill at about 350, which is right where I wanted it, so we are going to get the corn on. And if it's at 350, you're looking at about maybe 15 minutes on that. Make sure you're turning it, you know, a quarter turn every couple of minutes, just so it all doesn't get cooked on one side. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Now there's a little bit of a lesson here. When you are cooking with charcoal, and especially super hot charcoal, make sure you wear shoes in case when you're dumping it on, a little coal falls onto the ground and you step on it. I just burned the holy hell out of my toe, and yeah, that one's gonna smart for a little bit. So we got the corn on, and like I said, it should take about 15 minutes. We will check back in a little bit. Okay, so we've got about 5 minutes on, so we're just gonna give every cob a little quarter turn. There we go. It's holding steady at about 350 inside the kettle, so that is absolutely perfect. We'll check back in a few minutes again. All right, that corn has been on for about 20 minutes now. Yes, you can see Roger poking his nose in the bottom there. Hi, Roger. He does not like how hot it is, but he just loves coming outside anyway. All right, so I'm gonna pull this corn off. I'm gonna take it inside, let it rest for a few minutes, and then tear into one and see just how good it is. Okay, the corn is done. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, that looks really good. Okay. Oh, that's super hot. So let's take a bite. That is some awesome corn. It's actually really sweet, delicious. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully you use this method in the future. We'll see you next time.